In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform in Notion. First, head to the Typeform website and sign in. On the login screen, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to complete sign-in. If you use a different sign-in method, that's fine too. The key is to get into your Typeform workspace where your forms live. Once you're in, open the Typeform you want to embed. Make sure it's the correct form and that you've finalized the questions, welcome screen, and any end screens or logic. It's always a good idea to preview the form and submit a quick test response so you know it behaves as expected before embedding it anywhere else. With your form open, click the Share option. This area is where Typeform gives you everything you need to publish your form, including direct links and ways to add it to other sites. Next, choose Embed in a web page. You'll see several display options here, like a standard inline embed, a pop-up, or a full-page style. Pick the one that best suits how you want the form to appear within your Notion page. You can also adjust basic appearance settings such as size and button style to match your page layout. Now click View Code. Typeform will generate a small snippet for the embed you selected. This snippet typically includes a script tag and a container, and it's designed to load your form in place with the correct styling and tracking. If there are sizing controls, double-check the width and height so the form doesn't feel cramped or oversized when placed in your page. Go ahead and click Copy to grab the embed code. Here's the important part for Notion. Notion primarily supports URL-based embeds rather than raw HTML. The simplest approach is to open the Notion page where you want the form, add an embed block, and paste your Typeform share link. If you're looking at the embed screen in Typeform, you can switch to the share link and use that directly. If your workspace uses an integration or wrapper that accepts HTML, you can paste the code there. Otherwise, the share link will work best in a standard Notion embed block. After you place the embed, resize the block so it feels natural on the page, and test it by interacting with the form right inside Notion. If the form doesn't load, check your Typeform share settings, ensure it's set to public, and refresh the Notion page. That's it, you've embedded your Typeform in Notion and it's ready for responses.